Mistplay pays you for playing mobile games, while Fetch Rewards pays you for scanning receipts from everyday shopping, which makes their earning systems completely unrelated, even though both are free reward apps. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually generates rewards, what limits your earning speed in both, and which one fits better depending on whether you prefer gaming or shopping-based rewards. Mistplay works by giving you points for playing selected mobile games. You install games from its list, play them, and earn rewards based on time spent and in-game progress. Your earnings depend on how many games are available and how long each game continues rewarding activity. Fetch Rewards works by rewarding you for scanning receipts after shopping. You take a photo of a grocery or retail receipt, and the app credits points based on eligible products and promotions inside that receipt. Mistplay is limited by game availability. If there are fewer high-reward games in your region, your earning options shrink, and progress slows down until new games are added. Fetch Rewards is limited by what you buy. You only earn when your receipts include eligible items or active promotions, which means your earnings depend heavily on your normal shopping habits. Mistplay is better for users who want to earn through time spent gaming without spending money. It turns idle or entertainment time into small rewards, but it requires consistent play to build meaningful points. Fetch Rewards is better for users who already shop regularly for groceries or household items. Instead of adding extra tasks, it rewards purchases you were already going to make. Another key difference is consistency. Mistplay earnings build slowly but steadily as long as you keep playing games. Fetch Rewards earnings depend on how often you shop and what promotions are active at the time. Time investment also differs. Mistplay usually requires longer gaming sessions to accumulate noticeable rewards. Fetch Rewards takes very little time per receipt, but rewards depend entirely on what's inside that receipt. Effort level is different too. Mistplay is low effort once you start playing, while Fetch Rewards requires quick but consistent scanning after every shopping trip. Flexibility also matters. Mistplay only works inside its gaming ecosystem. Fetch Rewards works across multiple retailers, so you can earn from a wide range of shopping locations. Quick summary. Mistplay pays through mobile game time with steady but slow progress. Fetch Rewards pays through receipt scanning tied to real-world shopping. If you want entertainment-based earning without spending money, Mistplay fits better. If you want rewards from everyday shopping with minimal effort per transaction, Fetch Rewards is more practical. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparison breakdowns like this.